Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we'll understand how to create tornado chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, click on Get More Visuals. Click here, Tornado. Press Add button. Now click on this tornado. Activate the focus mode, groups. So now in the group, select the subcategory. And in values, select sales and select the profit. So you can see here the tornado is ready. That vis-a-vis sales, how much is our profit? Instead of subcategory, the same analysis you can do on category, on segment, on region, and let's pick up the product ID. That also we can do. So a very big tornado will be formed. So this is how you can create the tornado chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.